Okay friends, one of the first things we have to do to get started on our tail lamp assembly is to remove our two mounting bolts. There's one that's located in between here. There it is. There's the other one. Grab onto the lamp assembly, give it a nice wiggle and draw it away from the body of the truck. Now we're just going to go ahead and squeeze on this tab right here. We can turn this counterclockwise to remove it. It's a perfect time to go ahead and check your bulbs. If you need to replace them, now's the time. A little squeeze tab. There it is, friends. Okay, now it's time to get our new lamp assembly in here. Let's go ahead and grab onto our bulbs. Just going to line this up with its tabs. Squeeze on this. Go ahead and twist it clockwise so it locks in. Do the small 194 bulb here. Tuck that in as well. This one, give it a nice click. Perfect. Now what we want to pay attention to is our two little pitons along here. They're going to fit into the body right along here. Line those up. Slide this in. Now let's go ahead and put in both of our mounting bolts.